Managing Meta Robots for Archives. Welcome to Mastering Meta Robots, a step-by-step guide by SEOPress. In this series, we'll explore how to manage meta robots using SEOPress, the powerful SEO plugin for WordPress, making it easy to customize your settings for posts, taxonomies, and site-wide configurations. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. Now that we've mastered meta robots for single posts, let's see how SEOPress can help us manage archive pages. Archive management is key for keeping less valuable content out of search results. Let's talk about archives. These can include author or date-based archives, which search engines might not always need to index. To handle this, go to Archive under SEOPress. If you want to hide these archive pages from search results, check Noindex. It's all about what you want to control. Whether the content is visible to search engines or not. Once you've set your preferences, hit Save. By optimizing your archive settings with SEOPress, you can prevent unnecessary pages from showing up in search results, keeping your site clean. In the next video, we'll dive into managing meta robots for taxonomies using SEOPress. Let's continue. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing with SEOPress.